Hi there, my name is Douglas and I'm here to educate you on headlight restoration. Now, why should you listen to me? Well, I own a headlight restoration business called Tisleti Headlight Restoration, and I've been doing this for the past 8 years. So I do have knowledge about headlight restoration, and part of me creating these videos is for me to educate as many people as I can regarding headlight restoration, and for others to present an opportunity maybe for you to start your own headlight restoration business. I also know there are other headlight restoration professionals, and I would like to learn from them as well what methods they use, tips and tricks, because I'm sure not all headlight restorations are the same. So on today's video, we are going to cover what is headlight restoration. Simply, headlight restoration is any process or activities that are done on a faded, hazy headlight to make it look new again. So it doesn't matter as long as it's not damaged. Whatever you do to make your faded headlight look new, that's headlight restoration. So on the next video, we are going to cover the basic, the known ways of how to restore a headlight. So we'll delve deep into that. So I hope to see you on that. So please consider subscribing. Now, if you'd like to learn more about headlight restoration, I have covered a lot more on my website, so I'll leave the links in the description, and there's also a free course in it if you're interested in starting your own headlight restoration business, so I'll leave the link in the description as well. So feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So hopefully I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers.